Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn together. This is part 4 of the same chapter called Heat of class 7. And before going to the next topic, you all have to watch the previous videos of this chapter and for the concept clarity. And now we will be moving towards the next topic, which is transfer of heat. And this transfer of heat is a very important topic of this chapter, so you have to listen carefully and understand what is this and how many types are there and how the process is occurring. So first we will see what is transfer of heat. So the heat flows from a body at a high temperature to a body at a lower temperature. This is called transfer of heat. And heat is transferred in three different ways. They are conduction, convection, and radiation. So first let me explain. This heat flow is always from the warmer object to the colder object, and it will happen till then, means it will equalize itself, means it will become neutral when the warmer object and the colder object will be having the same heat transfer. Like there is the hotter object has 50 degrees celsius, the colder object is having 30 degrees celsius. The warmer object will be start transferring its heat to the colder object. Till then it will become 40 degrees celsius each, then it will stop transferring the heat. And now let's see the first part, the conduction part. So the conduction is the transfer of heat from a hotter part to a colder part object due to the collision of the particles without actual movement of the particle from their position. So we will be seeing that when we put an iron rod, so the tip of the iron rod, see, as I'm showing you this pen. So if I will be heating this pen from this side, okay, and if it is getting heated, so slowly it will be starting transferring over here. It is pen, so it will not transfer because plastic is insulator of that part. But if it is iron rod, it will be slowly getting, see, you can see in the image, it is getting hotter and hotter, and it will suddenly go to your hands and you will also feel warmer over there. And this is called conduction because it is transferring the heat from one point to another point through a medium. Right, note down this point, it needs a medium. Now let's see what is convection. So the transfer of heat in liquid or gases. Till now we have seen that it was in the solid. Now it came liquid and gases. So the transfer of heat in liquid and gases is called convection. And the molecules of the liquid or gases that are near to the source of the heat get heated first. Means like if I start burning and I keep a stove burning and I keep above it a pressure cooker and put water in it. And so what will happen? The base part of the water will be start boiling first. Then it will slowly warm up and go. We will see about this. So the colder particles being heavier take the place, and this process continues until the whole liquid or gas gets heated. And the last one is that the above area, the flame of a candle always feels hot, but the area on the side of the candle does not. So let's see the types of convection also. So first we will talk about the convection in air. So air is very poor conductor of heat. Air transfer heat from its hotter part to the colder parts by the process known as convection. See the example. If there is a burning of wood, we already know about the conduction part. Like it will move in the solid part like metals from one tip to another tip, and it will go on. But see in the air, if you put your hands above that bonfire, then also you feel some warm. Then that is the convection in air. Always when you feel warm around that part, it is known as convection in air. And now see what I was talking earlier. See, there is a stove, and in that there is a pan, and in the pan the water is there. So what will happen? See, the burning of that flame in the base part, it will get heated first, then the water heated from that part will go upside, and the cold water from the upside will come down, and the up which came just down, it will be getting heated again and it will go upside again. Like that, it the process will be continuing till the whole water in the pan gets the equal temperature, and this is called as convection in water. Because see, conduction is going in the pan, but convection is going in the water which is in the pan. Okay, so the convection can only be in gas or water or liquid. So there a question comes in our mind. How does the heat comes to us from the sun, and which type of transfer of heat is involved in it, and why? And this why you should comment in the comment box, and you have to tell me about this. What do you think? Pause this video and put your answer over there, then I will explain you. Okay, now let's go to the explanation part, why it is happening. So see, these radiations means the sun is over there. So sun's radiation travel through the vacuum between the sun and the earth at a very high speed, and ultimately it reaches on the earth. And therefore we can say that the transfer of heat from a hot object to a cold object by the process of radiation does not require any medium. In this we saw there is a medium called radiation, which is also a part of transfer of heat. So in the radiation, it is said that the no medium is required for transfer of heat. Okay, it can move through the medium, it cannot move through the medium, all are right. So radiation can be occurring by the any way. Like you can see the radiation of the sun is coming in the light of UV rays on the sun, that is also providing heat to our earth. That's why known as radiation. And here the last topic of this chapter is going to be finished. I will be making one more part of this and the chapter will be finished. So for watching this video, you have to first like, say, share and subscribe my channel and follow us to get the notification faster. So student, thank you for that watching this.